Hello and welcome to today's video. Today's video is for what do you expect, problem 3.1, and we're going to be looking at some one-on-one free throws. So we start out with just a situation. In the district finals, Nishi's basketball team is 1 point behind with 2 seconds left. Nishi has been fouled and she is in a one-on-one free throw situation. This means that Nishi will try one free throw. If she makes it, she gets a second free throw. If she misses the first time, she does not get a second try. And her free throw average is 60%. So we imagine that 60%, or 6 out of 10 times, she's going to make the free throw, and 40% of the time she's going to miss it, or 4 out of 10 if you want to think of it that way. She's going to miss the free throw. So every time she makes a free throw, in case you don't know, she gets 1 point. So the first question we have is it more likely that Nishi will score 0 points, 1 point, 2 points? Record what you think before you analyze the situation. So at first it's kind of like what you think about it. You know, we know she has more of a chance of making a free throw than missing one, but what's the chance that she's going to make 2 in a row to get 2 points, or one and then miss? So first just put down what you think is going to happen. There are no right or wrong answers, but think about what you think might happen. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do a simulation. So you're going to make a spinner, and then you're going to do one-on-one situations 20 times. So in the end, you're going to end up spinning at most 40 times. So to make this spinner, what you probably want to do is you want to probably split the spinner. So you want to make divisions equal to 10. Okay. And then we want the hit to be 60%. So if we make 6 of those divisions hits, and you can do hits however you want. If you want to use the number 1, if you want to use blue, whatever you want to do, that's fine. You want to make 6 of those division hits, and you want to make 4 divisions miss. Okay? And then you're going to go through and you're going to do the situation. So you're going to spin it if you get a hit. Then you're going to spin it again because she's made it, so she gets another chance. You're going to spin it again to see if she gets 0 points, which means you get a miss. She doesn't get to try again. If she gets 1 hit, in other words, she makes the first one but misses the second one, or she gets 2 points and she makes both of them. So just put that in your packet off to the side. I should see 20 of them. And then when you're done, we're going to take a look at some, that's experimental. We're going to look at some theoretical. Okay. So first you're going to write, based on your experiment, what's your probability? Okay. And then D wants you to take a look at theoretical. They want you to make an area model for this situation using a 10 by 10 grid. The reason why we're using a 10 by 10 grid is because we have to remember that she's got a 60% chance of making it, and she's got a 40% chance of missing. So if we use a 10 by 10 grid, we can use 6 out of 10 to be a make, and we can use 4 out of 10 to be a miss. Okay? And you might say, well, could we have done a 5 by 5 grid? Yes. Okay, because 3 out of 5 and 2 out of 5 also give you 60-40. But okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put her first free throw up here. And what it tells me is she makes it 60% of the time. So I'm going to count out 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this will represent on the left that she makes it. And this side will represent she misses it. Well, if she misses it, she's done. She doesn't get another shot. But if she makes it, she's going to get a second free throw. Actually, let me move that a little second. And she also has a 60% chance. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to draw a line that comes across, and it's just going to come across to here. Okay? So what I get is, let me write these in. This is a miss, and this is a make. So I end up getting 3 regions. And here are the main regions I have. If you take a look at this region right here, this would be she made the first one, she made the second one. If you take a look at this region, this is where she missed the first one, which means she didn't even get a second chance, so she missed. And if you take a look at the last region down here, this is where she made the first one, but she missed the second one. Okay, so I can actually say, well, if she makes both of them, this will be a 2-point area. If she misses the first one, she doesn't get a second chance, so that's 0 points. And if she makes the first one but misses the second one, that'll be 1 point. Now, if this is a 10 by 10, there are 100 boxes in here. And if you want to find the theoretical probability, all you have to do is count up the number of boxes and divide it by 100, and that'll be your probability. The rest you should be okay with. So you should do the experiment and then make your box, figure out the theoretical probabilities, and then you're going to compare them. Okay? Thank you for watching today's video. Have a great day.